Hi, I'm here at Founders.Week 2026. It's been a blast so far, and the main reason that I came here was to get the mental exercise of going through the rigorous process of founding and to learn from the experts.
Wonderful that everybody here is so enthusiastic and they get to know the whole Upper Austrian ecosystem. They've been to Car Garage, at the Tobacco Factory, they've been to the Chamber of Commerce, Gründersurveys, they've been to Stadtrampe, and that's what stands for Upper Austria. Everything works together for the benefit of the young entrepreneurs.
I'm David. I founded the magazine Die Macher years ago and also News2Do, a startup some years ago. I'm here at the Founders Week. It's the 10th version of the Founders Week. It's a great spirit and we are helping them to become entrepreneurs by themselves.
For the JKU as well as for the students and the potential founders, it's very important to pitch here at the Founders Week. And the transfer of the knowledge and the innovation is very important.
Been a week. Everyone grew individually and took something away and learned something about themselves. But most importantly, they experienced what they can achieve as a group together to come from an idea to an opportunity and then pitch it on Friday and succeed, get the applause, get the attention and get the motivation to continue this entrepreneurial journey. If you also want to experience this, be part of Founders Week 2027.